Zero article. Omission of the articles. The articles are not generally used. 1. Before generalization with plural or uncountable nouns. Birds can fly in the sky. Compare these sentences. A. Flowers really add beauty to a room. No article is used before flowers in general. B. The flowers you brought me are lovely. The is used before particular flowers. 2. Before proper nouns. Kolkata is the city of joy, though there are many sufferings. Newton is a great scientist. 3. Before material nouns. Gold is a precious metal. Iron and steel are useful metals. 4. Before abstract nouns. Health is wealth. Honesty is the best policy. 5. Before a common noun preceded by the phrases kind of, sort of, species of in interrogative sentences. What kind of flower is it? 6. Before school, college, church, bed, hospital, market, prison. When these places are visited or used for their primary purpose. We go to school or college. Here the primary purpose is to learn. Someone goes to bed. Here the primary purpose is to sleep. But when these places are visited or used for any other purpose, the article is used. I went to the school to see the headmaster. The bed is too dirty to use. 7. Before man or woman in the sense of mankind, or before father, mother, uncle, aunt, or baby, when it expresses our father, our mother, our uncle, our aunt, our baby, etc. Man is mortal. Baby is crying. Aunt is cooking. 8. Before the names of games and meals. We like to play football, or cricket, or hockey, or tennis, or badminton, etc. 9. Before names of seasons and festivals. Summer, or winter, or spring, or autumn, but the rainy season. Summer is the best time for picnic. The first time I went to Darjeeling was the summer. 10. Before the names of squares, buildings, parks, streets, avenues, etc. Buckingham Palace, Curzon Park, Rashbihari Avenue, College Street. 11. Before the words king and queen, if they are followed by the name of king or queen, and before title when they are used in apposition to a noun. King George V, Queen Victoria. 12. Before complement of a transitive verb. He was elected chairman of the board. 13. In certain phrases consisting of a transitive verb followed by its object. To catch fire, to take root, to give ear, to cast anchor, to set sail, to lose heart, to take offense, etc. 14. In certain phrases consisting of a preposition followed by its object. At home, at dinner, at ease, at dawn, at daybreak, at sunrise, at sunset, at noon, etc. Determiners. In modern English grammar, articles and some adjectives, except adjectives of quality, that is, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, and possessive adjective, are called determiners. These are of two types: specific determiners and general determiners. Specific determiners or definite determiners. The determiners used to refer to someone or something in a specific way are called specific determiners or definite determiners. The boys are playing football. I want this pen and not that pen. These boys are dull, but those boys are clever. The woman is looking after her child. Here in the phrase the boys, the indicates that the boys are already known to the speaker. Similarly, this, these, her, etc. are used to determine the persons or objects. General determiners or indefinite determiners. The determiners used to refer to someone or something in a general or indefinite way are called general determiners or indefinite determiners. A soldier is already in his bunker. A boy is going to school. An owl is hooting. All men must die, but most men do not think of it. He did not eat any rice, but I ate some. Each candidate was asked to answer the question. Group of determiners. Now we can classify the determiners into three groups. 1. TH type, the, this, that, these, those. 2. Possessive type, your, my, our, his, their, its. 3. Number or quantity type, a, an, each, every, any, another, little, some, enough, etc. Predeterminers. Some words are used before determiners and function as combined structure. They are called predeterminers. I'm not such a fool. Not as such fool. All the girls wore white sari, not the all girls. Both the boys are equally guilty, not the both boys. What a beautiful bird it is. Note: such, all, both, what have been used before determiners and have made a combined structure. So these are called predeterminers. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.